What's the correct way to sort Python import X and from X import Y statements? The Python style guide suggests to group imports like this. Imports should be grouped in the following order: standard library imports, related third-party imports, local application, library-specific imports. However, it does not mention anything how the two different ways of imports should be laid out. There are multiple ways to sort them. Let's assume all those import belong to the same group. First from .import, then import. First import, then from .import. Alphabetic order by module name, ignoring the kind of import. PEP8 does not mention the preferred order for this, and the cleanup imports features some IDs have probably just do whatever the developer of that feature preferred. I'm looking for another PEP clarifying this, or a relevant comment email from the BDFL, or another Python core developer. Please don't post subjective answers stating your own preference.
The PEP8 says nothing about it indeed. There's no convention for this point, and it doesn't mean the Python community need to define one absolutely. A choice can be better for a project but the worse for another. It's a question of preferences for this, since each solution has pros and cons, but if you want to follow conventions, you have to respect the principal order you quoted. Standard library imports, related third-party imports, local application/library-specific imports. For example, Google recommend in this page that imports should be sorted lexicographically, in each categories, standard/third-parties/yours. But at Facebook, Yahoo, and whatever, it's maybe another convention.
Imports are generally sorted alphabetically and described in various places besides PEP8. Alphabetically sorted modules are quicker to read and searchable. After all, Python is all about readability. Also, it is easier to verify that something is imported and avoids duplicate imports. There is nothing available in PEP8 regarding sorting. So it's all about choosing what you use. According to few references from reputable sites and repositories, also popularity, alphabetical ordering is the way. For e.g. like this. Or Reddit official repository also states that in general PEP8 import ordering should be used. However, there are few additions which are that for each imported group the order of imports should be. References. This URL. This URL. This URL. This URL. PS, the iSort utility automatically sorts your imports.
According to the CIA's internal coding conventions, part of the WikiLeaks Vault 7 leak, Python imports should be grouped into 3 groups. Standard library imports, third-party imports, application-specific imports. Imports should be ordered lexicographically within these groups, ignoring case.
I highly recommend reorder Python imports. It follows the second option of the accepted answer and also integrates into pre-commit, which is super helpful.
If you want to